Today I'm going to show you how to submit a ticket in GCash. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the latest updates for GCash. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for GCash, and install any updates if available. Once updated, open the GCash app and log in. Next, tap on the Help Center at the bottom left of the screen. Here you can read articles that may help you with your issue. Choose the relevant category. For example, if you're having trouble with your account, select GCash account. Scroll down and select, for example, Verify your account. Click on What should I do if my verification failed? After reviewing the information, scroll down to find Was this article helpful? If it wasn't, click Submit a ticket. Fill out the required details: email, registered name, mobile number, and any relevant account information. Provide clear and direct information about your concern. If you have any screenshots or documents, click Add to attach them. Finally, click Submit. Now just wait for the response via email, text, or phone.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.